We are very honored to have Mrs. Virginia Yip to be our honorary chairperson.
Mr. Kwok, CEO Club leaders from the rest of the world and mainland China, distinguished guests, good evening. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Mr. Al Kwok and Dr. Mancuso for their success in chartering the Hong Kong CEO Club. We are really very privileged to become the 9th CEO Club in China, and as we all know, 9 is a very lucky number. I think the Global CE Club really provides a unique platform for networking between entrepreneurs from all over the world, and Hong Kong is well known for its entrepreneurial spirit. So I'm sure the Hong Kong CEO Club will have a lot to offer in the future and will provide a great opportunity for enterprises in Hong Kong to learn from enterprises and CEOs from the rest of the world.
Invite JP also come up on the podium to give a memorial to Mrs. Yip.
係跟住呢邊嚇，唔該，得唔該，收埋你把音。呢啲係點睇？好，呢啲係寫做咩？呢啲將個筆寫。